So you might be in a situation where for some reason your eSIM isn't working inside of your phone. Now, doing this is actually very, very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. Now, the first thing that we'd recommend doing is to go through and literally just restart your phone. So if you have the option of going through, what we'd recommend doing is to go through and try restarting your device. So you can hold down the side button or you can hold down the other button, the volume down button and the side button, and basically just try going through and restarting your phone. So click on restart and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up going through and essentially fixing the problem in this particular situation. Now, if that's not working, another thing that's recommended too is to basically go through and try updating your particular phone. So you can check for different software updates. So make your way over into your settings application of your phone just like this. You want to scroll all the way down until you get into software update, which is right at the bottom. And you want to go ahead and tap on download and install right up here. So go right up here. You want to go and click on download and install. Then it's going to download and install the latest update available for your particular phone. So what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on here and you want to see if there's an update available. So if there's an update available, all you're going to want to do is update your phone, and that's the other thing you're going to want to try doing too. If that's still not working, you may want to contact your cell phone carrier and let them know that your particular Wi-Fi connection or your cell connection isn't working, that there's some issues here and there, and that they're going to have to go and kind of take a look at it because it's just an ongoing issue that they're going to have to kind of check out. So in terms of that, those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.